Hello and welcome to the Southampton boat show. Let's have a look around and buy a few things on the list for the boat. Do a buy. Crusader, Ergo system. Quite nice. To Suzuki. They said they've got no 300. There's one here on the stand. Just going to take it home with me. So we've just had a coffee with Suzuki, and a bit of good news. There's a possibility that we get an engine before Christmas. What do you think, Dan? Is that good news? Excellent news. But there's one still here, but apparently that's allocated. But all we can do is wait. But the guys at Suzuki are doing what they can to help us out to get one, and not much more we can do but wait. Let's see the rest of the show. So we are in the section where we find GPS and chart plotters, radios, all sorts. We are at Ray Marine. As you know, we are using Ray Marine Axiom chart plotters. We are then using ICOM radios, but also looking at AIS. Different, aren't they? So the show at Southampton was very good. It was good to speak to everybody, including All Salt, suspension seats, Ray Marine, Suzuki, ICOM, all the big players. It was nice to get involved with the show as well. But it is now another day on, and we've ended up back in Wales. We weren't going to do this but the weather's not too bad. Well, it's cloudy. However, the water's not too bad. So, we're doing a loop of Anglesey. Are we not, Daniel?
Apparently so.
We got the Bertha here. Coming with us are the 2 jet skis. Also, Andy and Ian from Robertowi Marine. And there's another couple of boats coming with us. So this should be a good day. Let's do it. Oh, before I go, I made a purchase. I think you saw it earlier in the video. Crusader Ergo system. Really comfy, really good. Let's see what it's like out on the water.
It seems far in the distance. I put it on the altar, though it was mine. I put it on the altar. There's a greater city we have not seen. We're all waiting in the in-between. We're all seeking out.
Come across dolphins.
I've been a traveler, my destination is unknown. I've been a traveler, I've been a foreigner with no place to call my own. I've been a foreigner. There's a greater city we have not seen. We're all waiting in the in-between. We're all seeking our homeland. We're all seeking our homeland.
We don't normally mention politics or royalty or anything on this channel, but sadly the Queen passed away last week, and today is her burial, and we're just about to observe a 2-minute silence. Thank you. Well, we are back at Fallon Elliott Dinas Marine, and it has been a fantastic day. It's been a fantastic weekend. Have you had fun, Dan? Been average. Southampton Boat Show was fantastic. It was great to catch everybody there. Ray Marine, all sorts, Suzuki, Icom, all everybody else that we spoke to as well. Lots of you, and found a lot of information. Found some good goodies, especially for the boat build. And yeah, today has been an excellent day. So, without further ado, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell, all the stuff you need to do. Say goodbye, Dan.
Bye, Dan.
We'll see you in the next one. Bye.